not actually an invention of sorts. I looked around in the market. I was looking for sort of a pressure gauge that people could use. In India, it's not really I would say, the most wealthy market in the world. We are not the US. So people had problems buying our inflators. They said it's a bit too expensive. So I thought, okay, let's come up with something that's a bit cheaper, but works almost the same, if not better, than what's available right now. A small gauge you can buy for around 250 rupees or even for 1,000 rupees. And they all have problems. They don't have temperature compensation. If they fall, they break. Okay? Like there's all sorts of problems that exist with these pressure gauges. So we came up with a pressure gauge that can be, first of all, be portable. Okay, it has an inbuilt battery. It can work if there's a power outage or something, because a lot of people in India don't get 24 hours. Let's say JetAge. So it can work. And the way it works is that it will only give you a single reading.
Single reading?
Yeah. Okay. See, AI is a dynamic system. If you've read control theory, then you'll see that the impulse response of any system or any such pneumatic system requires a certain time lag, after which you can get a stable reading. Even on the digital gauges right now in the market, or even the pressure gauges which are handheld, you can import them from any country in the world. They'll all have a time lag. But this machine or this gauge or instrument will only give you a single reading that after it's stable, and even beeps. So there's no digital gauge which I have seen so far, a gauge which beeps. Only inflators beep. So if my idea is that it's a semi-automatic inflator, the idea is the solenoid is replaced by your own hand, so it's cheaper. We're trying to make it more accessible to people. That's the whole idea behind this machine. No. It's 0 to 280 psi. It works with aircraft tires, works with bus, truck tires. My idea was to make it portable. So the idea was that you can charge it from the 12-volt pin in your car. So any guy, any person, any technician, any person can have them in their car. On the road they can check. Maybe they went to a petrol pump and the petrol pump guy had a gauge. He filled it. He said he filled it to 160, but you cannot be sure, so you can double check it by yourself. The idea is to integrate into fleet systems as well. So once the guy is checking the tire pressure, the data can be sent directly to the cloud servers of the fleet manager. So that's the next part. So we're looking for people, some fleet managers, or the people who make those softwares. They can contact us, or we'll try to find them, and we can integrate all of that into this. We are manufacturing in-house. We are making it right now. So like a lot of people we have talked to, some are using it right now. Some big companies have shown interest because it's cheaper. See, the gauge, that's really, I would say the model right now costs around 15 to 20,000. But that's, I would say, like it's a one-off cost. It's a bit of research, it's a bit of testing. The one we plan on coming out in the next expo by next year would be a portable one, something that can fit like this in your palm. So it can even be kept inside a car or a truck without much problem. Because you can't keep a very big box. Right now it's like 10 inches by 10 inches.
Correct.
So it's too big for putting inside a car. See, the gauge, if you don't know, it has three sorts of openings. One is where the air in comes in. So you can connect a compressor tank, you can connect a portable tank, you can connect whatever power air source you have with the right fitting. There's the other one that goes inside the tire, and the other one takes the air out of it. So it's like the three openings of sorts. So that's like you connect the air in, it goes to the tire. When you don't press the thing, you get the reading of the tire. When you press the trigger on it's a gun of sorts. So when you press the trigger, then air goes from the tank into the tire, and when you press the third one, the air goes out of the tire and like it releases. So because if you're overinflated, you can go down as well. So yeah.